Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to install CodeBlock's IDE on Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. First, we need to download CodeBlocks. Simply search for CodeBlocks and click on the download link that appears as the first search result. Here, you need to click on the download button, and when you do, you will be redirected to the official CodeBlock site. Once you're on the site, you'll see an option to download the binary releases. Click on that. After clicking, you'll be directed to another page. Scroll down to find the Microsoft Windows section where you will see several files listed. Download the file named CodeBlocks 20.03 mingw setup.exe. The mingw in the file name indicates that it includes the compiler, which is very important. It's crucial to download this specific file because if you download a different setup, it may only contain the CodeBlock setup without the necessary compiler, which would result in your C or C++ programs failing to run. To proceed, click on the FossHub link and your download will start shortly. Once the download is complete, double-click on the setup file to install it locally on your system. You may see a warning that the app isn't a Microsoft verified app, but that's totally fine. Just click Install anyway. You might also need to grant administrative privileges by clicking Yes. The CodeBlock setup window will open. Click Next on the welcome screen. You'll come to the license agreement, you can read it, and then click I agree. Now, you'll see the components to be installed, including the mingw compiler, which is essential. Keep the default settings and click Next. Next, you will choose the installation directory. CodeBlocks will create a directory in your program files. Click Install, and the installation process will begin. It may take a couple of minutes. After downloading, you can see that CodeBlocks is almost installed, and it will ask if you want to run CodeBlocks now. Go ahead and click Yes. To open CodeBlocks, you can also double-click the shortcut on your desktop. Once it opens, it will automatically detect the GNU GCC compiler, confirming that the compiler is detected. If there were no compiler installed, you would see a message indicating that no compiler is detected. Click OK to proceed. Next, select Create a new project. Alternatively, you can close the initial window and navigate to File, New to create a new project. From here, choose C or C++ source code and double-click on it to proceed. You will then need to select either C or C++ as the programming language. In this example, we'll choose C. On the next screen, give your project a name. Click on the three dots to create a new folder and name it C Programs. Open that folder and name your file prog1. The file will automatically save with a C extension if you selected C. If you selected C++, it would save as CPP, click Save, and then Finish. You should see that your prog1.c program is now open. Let's write a simple C program. Type hash, include stdio h int main, printf hello world, return 0. Once you write this code, click Save. When you click Run, it will ask if you want to build it now. Click Yes to build the program and view the output. You should see Hello World displayed in the console. This process is the same for C++ programming. Just select C++ when creating the project. Follow the same steps to write and run your C++ code. If this video helped you out, make sure to join the Show Me Software free newsletter. It's linked in the description below. In this newsletter, I will tell you about the latest software tools and AI that can make you more productive at work and also improve your personal life in many different ways. You can also reply to these emails with any technical support questions you might have, and I'll do my best to help you out for free. This newsletter is completely free and will always be free, so click the link in the description to sign up.